Okay, what's up, you guys? I just want to make a video here about building a wood surfboard. In fact, I want to make a series of videos about building this board. And what we have here is a sheet of 1.5 inch extruded polystyrene foam, insulation foam that I picked up from Home Depot, and I'm going to turn this into a wood surfboard. Okay, so I don't have my tripod, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about what the plan is. Um, I'm going to build what I think is a reasonable copy, or at least I'm going to take the idea and build a version of it, of a rusty surfboard called the EggNot. Uh, Now, obviously, I can't make an exact copy because if you go onto Rusty's website, you only get a handful of dimensions. But I'm going to follow those dimensions, and I'm going to, interpret the idea. I'm going to shape the rails the way I want to shape them, and it should come out really nice. The board will be 7/6, and the width at the widest point will be, I think, about 21 3/4, and the thickness will be, I think, 2 7/8, 2.8 something, I think is what they have on their website. And that's really all the dimensions you get. So I'm going to take the outline, I'm going to copy the outline as carefully as I can and then go from there. So obviously it's not a copy. It's more of an interpretation. And in future videos, I'm gonna set my phone up on a tripod so you can actually watch the process. First thing I'm gonna do is cut this sheet in half, and then I'm gonna glue the two halves together, and I'm gonna put a bend in the two sheets as they're gluing together, so that when they come out there'll be a little bit of rocker. Then I can start shaping, and then I'll veneer it with wood. Now, just as an example, I just finished this board, which is a copy of one of my favorite longboards, the 8.6 Stylus 2, it's called, by Surfboards Hawaii. It's up there in the roof. You can just see the nose of it sticking out. But I copied this board, and I copied it in wood using the same procedure that I just described. And this board rides great. Wood boards, I think they really have an advantage over foam boards in some ways. So I'm gonna document the procedure of building the board, and that will be my series of videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.